Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, you'll need to pull down your notifications, more specifically the toggles that are located on the right top side of the screen. If you do it from the other one, you will get just straight up notifications, so make sure you do it from here. And once you pull it down, you'll see a bunch of toggles right here. We're looking specifically for the hotspot, which is right here for me. Once you see this toggle, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now you want to hold it first time around when you're setting it up, at least for the very first time, because when we navigate right here into hotspot settings, you'll see that under password, you have a randomly generated password. So I do recommend simply removing this one. It's much simpler getting rid of this one and setting up your own new password rather than trying to remember this one. Now your new password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. And that's honestly the only thing that I recommend changing. Now obviously if you know what you're doing, then you can go about changing these settings right here, but you probably also aren't watching this video in this case. So anyway, let's just tap on the checkbox right at the top just to save the password change, which you can see right over here. And we can close this and we don't have to come back here ever again, assuming you're gonna remember your password. From there, let's find the toggle once more, and this time around we're just gonna simply press on it. And that's it. You can now connect to your hotspot at any point you want. So that is how you would set it up and enable it. Once you're done with it, you can simply turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.